guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I am at Target and I just need to stock up on some of my self-care and hygiene products. So that's what we're going to be doing today. I'm going to be giving you guys a haul at the end. I also have a list on my phone of everything that I need, and it just so happens that everything that I need in my everyday shower routine and stuff, I am basically out of. I think there's only a couple things that I'm still good on. I don't need any shampoo, conditioner, or deodorant, but everything else I'm basically going to be getting new. Also going to be switching some of my products that I use to different products. So we'll go in there, shop, see what they have, but I do have a couple of things on my phone that I do know that I want to get for a fact, like a refill on vitamins. So yeah, let's just go in and shop. Hopefully they're not out of a lot of stuff, because while I'm filming this, it's Black Friday, so stores are kind of busy. Also, this Black Friday, I bought myself a new camera. I'm filming on the Canon G7X Mark II, and this is the first video that's going up on my channel with this camera, and I can't wait to see it in action when I sit down at my actual makeup vanity with my good lighting, ring light, and everything. But yeah, this is the first video that I'm filming with my new camera, so hopefully all my further videos after this will look this good quality. My hair is looking kind of crazy today. I just got out of the shower and I let it air dry, so didn't get to style it at all this morning. Oh whoa, the blur on the background on this camera is absolutely crazy. And you could tell the quality is way better than my last one. But first thing is right here, Vitafusion Gorgeous Hair, Skin, and Nails. I only have one more day left of these vitamins, and if you guys watch my channel, you know that I stand by these. I love them so much. This is the main thing that I use to get my hair long when I wanted it long, and healthy when I wanted it healthy. So it's basically just biotin and antioxidants. So this is the toothpaste that I use, so I'm running all out of that. I also need new razors. I love these Venus ones with the soap on them. I used to have these, these are the ones I have right now, and the soap is all out. So I think I'm gonna get the coconut. I've been loving coconut scents recently. I've been obsessed with them, and I actually want to change my whole basically scent, body wash, perfume, everything to coconut. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this. I'm gonna try and find a coconut shaving cream. Shea butter. I don't see any coconut. Is that not a thing? Coconut shave gel? This is the one I use right now, but I have a picture on my camera. They have a coconut scent shaving gel, shaving cream. No, okay, I guess they don't have it or don't make it, or at least not at my Target. So we're all good on the shaving stuff. So I'm gonna move over to the hair care, and I use the L'Oreal Aleve Dream Length shampoo and conditioner, as well as that leave-in stuff. I absolutely love it, and I need a new hair mask. So I saw that they have a matching one. I'll put a picture right here. I don't know if they're gonna actually have it here. Yeah, this is the line that I use right now. They don't have the hair mask, but any L'Oreal Aleve hair mask will work. I definitely need something for damage and repairing. Don't know if it's good. Never tried it before. It's is this a hair mask or is this a balm for afterwards? I definitely want to stick all to one brand, L'Oreal. Do they not have a hair mask? When I looked up online, when I was searching last night for hair masks, this is the one that came up, but I don't really think this is a mask. I think this is kind of the same deal as this, a leave-in type of thing, after the shower. It says after shampooing, so I guess this does replace a conditioner, so it would be considered a mask. I didn't know that the L'Oreal Aleve or Aleve, however you say it, had that much of a selection. I just thought it was this one. That conditioner and shampoo works wonders for my hair. We're just gonna take a stroll down all the aisles, why not? I need a new body wash. The one I use right now is from Bath & Body Works. It's the Champagne Toast scent, which I do really like that smell, but I want all my scents to be the same. I don't want my hair to be super coconut and my perfume and everything, and then just have you know, a berry body wash. For the brand, I'm not really particular on my like brands for this. Ew! Oh my god, that smells terrible. I hate the smell of coffee, but it says coconut. I thought it was gonna smell different. Coconut water and flower. I don't really like floral scents. See, that does not smell like coconut in the slightest. This one by Aleve. See, to me, coconut and vanilla are like two totally different scents. We're gonna go with this one, Dove. We're good on perfume emotion. I have mine from Pink. It's the 24 karat coconut scent, and I'm obsessed. One more thing. Oh, another thing that I wanted to get was baby oil, and if you guys are on self-care TikTok, which I definitely am, in all those like aesthetic videos, they put on like baby oil, I think either before or after they shave, and it makes them super soft. In my opinion, I feel like that would make you like super oily and greasy, would it not? I don't know, I want to try it though. I'm just gonna get like a little travel sized in like the travel section. I also couldn't find this, which was like a frizz serum. Got all this. This was the one I was looking at. It's a foaming body wash, and I know that this brand smells so much like coconut, like the best scent ever. I couldn't find that here though. Like, I don't know if they don't have it. I have that one for now. Yeah, I don't see that here. We're just gonna have to go with this one. It looks just as good. The last thing I have to look for is the Loofah. I know they have those at Marshall's. I can't find any here. I don't know if they just like don't sell them or what, but I think we're all good to go with everything else. I have all of my body and hair stuff. I'm at Walmart and they have the mini travel size baby oil that I was talking about, and also this really soft gray loofah. It's $2, and this is $2 as well, so $4 for both isn't bad. Walmart has way bigger of a selection, by the way. I always thought Target was better, but I don't know. I think Walmart is where it's at. I wish they had this Tree Hut scrub in coconut, but they only have it in like tropical kind of scents. I don't think I'm looking for anything else in here. I'm now done shopping. I'm going to give you guys a haul of everything I got. So first, I got my Vitafusion Gorgeous Hair, Skin, and Nails Vitamins. Love these things. I got some new Optic White Renewal toothpaste. I have tried everything to try and get white teeth. This is like supposed to be their like most improved formula because it has like 3% hydrogen peroxide. It's supposed to be enamel safe, which I have very, very sensitive teeth. So as I sit here drinking a kiwi strawberry sparkling. I also got a new body wash. This is a Dove Restoring Coconut Butter and Cocoa Butter body wash, and it's supposed to like soften your skin. I usually have really dry skin, especially on like my legs and stuff. I also got these Venus razors. It comes with two like refillable ones. It's the good kind with the soap on it. This is again coconut scented. Got this L'Oreal Aleve mask. I don't know how well this will work for me. It says it's supposed to help like weak split ends, like brittle hair basically, and my hair ever since I got it cut, it's been like super healthy, and I really want to keep it that way. So hopefully this does a good job. It's a damage erasing balm, and it's basically just like a rinse out mask after your shampoo, so it takes place of your conditioner. It smells really good. It doesn't smell like my L'Oreal Aleve damage shampoo and stuff. But then I just got the last stuff at Walmart, which you guys just saw. So that was it for this video. If you guys liked it, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and also comment down below if you guys want to see more types of like mini shopping hauls like this. I really enjoy going on like little sprees here and there whenever I shop, so if you guys want me to bring you along with me from now on, definitely let me know down below. Subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to turn on all my post notifications so you get a notification in your Dropbox every time I upload a video. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all so much, and bye guys.